Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classroom. Today we will be going through chemical kinetics, the last lecture. The RNS equation that we have studied it. Based on it, certain numericals only we are going to practice it. So we can say that today's lecture is going to be a smaller also, as well as only a single topic that we are going to study, how to go for the particularly numericals to be solved for RNS equation, or what are the way the question we are going to get it. So let's take it as in some of the examples, right? I'm taking it as in the first example that is given to us. Just a minute. The value of rate constant for the decomposition of N2O5, that is given out the equation as N2O5 changes to NO2 plus half O2 is 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5 second inverse at 25 degree Celsius and 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 3. 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 3 at 65 degrees Celsius. Calculate the activation energy. Now, it's told to me, given to me as K1, that is equals to 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5 second inverse at T1 25 degrees Celsius, that is 273 plus 25, 298 Kelvin. The rate constant is given to me initial, but if I rise the temperature, the rate constant changes to 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 3 when temperature is made it as 65 degrees Celsius, that is 273 plus 65. You will be getting it as 338 K, right? And you have been asked calculate EA. So what is the formula that we are having it? Simplest, very easily known to us. Log K2 by K1, that is equals to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Substitute the value. You know it. Log K2 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 3. K1 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5. EA that I want to calculate it 2.303. R, it's a fixed 8.314. 1 upon, it's a 298 minus 1 upon 338. Right? So what will be getting it? First of all, we'll find out the log of this value. Suppose we got it as a certain factor x. Right? Once we get it into 2.303, 8.314, this two, taking it on the other side, 298 into 338 upon the difference 338 minus 298, you are going to get it as a difference of 40. That will be your E. Right? So now make the multiplication division. First of all, it will be necessary that you will have to find out the log of this value. Once you got that log, place it over here and then again go it for addition, the multiplication and division. It will give you an activation energy. Right? Okay. These are the simple sums that we are going to have it. Okay, let's have it as another sum. What the change in the sum that can be there for going for it? So the sum that is given to us for the reaction, the energy of activation is 0. Now see, for this the activation energy is already given to us 0. The question is asked, what is the value of the rate constant? What is the value of rate constant at 300 Kelvin, if K is 1.6 into 10 raised to 5 second inverse at 280 Kelvin. So what is given to us? EA, that is 0. K1 is given to us 1.6 into 10 raised to 5 at T1, that is 280 K. You want to find out K2 at T2 300 K, right? Now see, the sum is much easier. Oral calculation can be told, right? Because activation energy is 0, your K1 and K2 will be same. But how to get that value? See, log K2 by K1, that is equals to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. See, you are having 2.303 T this, but all these terms are multiplied by, this is given out 0. So whole term is going to become 0, because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So whole term is going to become 0. So log K2 by K1 is equals to 0. So what we'll do it is, K2 by K1 is equals to anti-log of 0. And when you will calculate the anti-log of 0, your answer will be 1. Right? So you got it as K2 by K1 is equals to 1. So K2 is equals to K1. Therefore, K2 will be also 1.6 into 10 raised to 5 second inverse at 300 K, because its activation energy has not been changed. Right? Okay. Now, during this numericals that we did it, we got it as both of them with the same formula. Now let's make it as a somewhat change in the another numerical, and let's find out that what are the possible other factors that can be asked. Particularly, it's given to us, calculate Arrhenius constant for a reaction whose rate constant is 0.02 second inverse is tripled by rising 10 degrees Celsius temperature. In the vicinity of 27 degrees Celsius. Now see, the data is given to us in an odd format. It's given to us. Find out Rn is a constant. That means I want to find out A. Right? The rate constant is given to me, K1, 0.02. Now, at what temperature? Then it is told to me that its initial temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. That means 300 K. You are being given out 10 degree rise it's a tripled. So that means if K2 I wanted, I will get it as 3 times. When the temperature was 27 plus 10, that is equals to 37 degrees Celsius, that is 310 Kelvin. Okay, now the data that is given to me, it's not showing me anywhere the formula that will help me to get any. So what we have to do it is, first of all I will have to find out the activation energy. By the help of the given data, I will first of all find out EA. Once I get the EA, I will be able to find out the A. How to do it? So first factor, that is a calculation, I will go for log K2 by K1, that is equals to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Now this log K2, that is 0.02 upon 0.02. EA, I want to calculate it, 2.303, 8.314, 1 upon, this we are having it as an 300 minus 1 upon 310. So can I cancel it? So I got it log 3. Log 3 I know it 4771. 2.303. 8.314. 300. 310 upon 10. That will give me EA. So this equation, on the calculation, I get the EA as dash joule per mole. Right? Let's consider it as an, suppose, a quantity that we are getting it as an A. Now this what we will do it, we want to find out the RNS, sorry, I won't put it in, let's take it as an X. Right? It might be a confusion for the students. So now we want to find out the A. I got the EA. So let's get it as log K1, that is equals to EA upon 2.303. Sorry, log K1, that is equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 R T1. We got this formula. Substitute the value. K1, it's known to me. This is 0.02. Log 0.02. This I want to calculate it. I will just write it on the top. Log K1, that is equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 R T1. Now log K1 we have been given out initial, right? Log A I want to calculate it. EA I just made it as a calculation, or if you see it, we just made the calculation, multiplication of it, R 8.314 300. So again what will happen? First of all find out the log of it. The answer you will get it X. Let's put it Y. For this whole calculation, we will say that we get it answer Z. So plus Z, that is equals to log A. So log A, that is equals to Y plus Z. So A is equals to antilog of this. Finding it out, the antilog, you will get it as an Arrhenius constant. So here you will have to do it as in 2 steps. First of all, you will have to find out the activation energy, and finding it out the activation energy, you will be able to get the Arrhenius constant. Right? Okay. Similarly, you can do it such type of other numericals also. Right? You can be asked, find out the rate constant. If activation energy is given, you might be given K1, you might be asked K2, or any of the terms, one of it. Simply only the factor is we should be able to find out the formula. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Right, it's going to be a shorter lecture, but from tomorrow we will be starting it in our new lecture with organic section. This time it's a show. We will be starting with organic section. Thank you.